name is Christopher Skluzak. Today I'll be showing off our cactus combo kit, which includes a 15-inch tweezer to like pull and grab in sections you want to cut off, our PKXL knife, or standard knife, the namesake of the company, with our specialty 472 blade. It's a big boy. It also includes this serrated whacker blade that comes in here. Looks like this, and you can use either or depending on what kind of cactuses you have. And then this cactus gripper, which also helps assisting in, taking out certain sections like this. So let me show you. So as you can see, we really need to clean up this mess of cactuses. You can see there's a lot of dead parts in here, and these tools really help in assisting in moving the parts you just need to cut. So for example, I'm gonna take this dead part right here using my 15-inch tweezer. This is the badass, I shouldn't say that, 472 blade. Just cutting out and ripping. This knife provides for long reach in case you have much bigger cactuses, but just like that, look, I got out what I needed. And we're gonna keep going here and try to clean up this mess of cactus, dead parts of the cactus plant. So we're still going here. We're gonna try to get some of these dead buds as well. It's not just these dead cactuses, but like parts right here, but these buds. So I'm gonna use my tweezer, grab it like so, and use the blade to slowly, oh wow, look at that. Get the bud out, just like that. Let's put it to the side. Let's get another part here. All right, let's grab this. Gotta maneuver it out. So now I'm switching from the 15-inch tweezer that is included in the kit to our cactus grabber, which I think is more efficient. And I use it to grab the dead part again. That just kind of came off. Put it to the side. Now let's grab one of these dead buds, shall we? You can see them right down here. Maybe you don't even have to cut. And you can use the grabber so you don't prick your finger in the hard to reach spaces down here on the plant. Just like this. Let's see what else we can get. I'm gonna move this one to precisely cut this one underneath. I'm just gonna try to cut up. Maybe that one wasn't completely dead, but it's looking a little rotten, so we're gonna put that to the side, and we're just gonna keep going here. I'm gonna keep moving and maneuvering, and these long reach tools help to just get the parts I need once again. So cut. Oh my gosh. Remove all that dead nasty cactuses to make your cactus plant look pristine. Move it to the side. Don't cut the good ones. I'm gonna switch the blade here. Oh, just like that. Here we are back again. So as I was talking about with this cactus combo kit, there's two blades provided. You can use this bigger angled one. It helps if you need to get in certain areas, or we have this straight angled serrated blades, much bigger serrated. And right now I'm just going to show you how to switch it out depending on the kind of cactus you're cutting. Take the plate off, boom, you slide your straight edge, slightly more serrated blade right in there, cover back on, screw in, nice easy, just like that. You got your serrated blade in. Let's give it a test. Let's cut right down here. Wow, it's much more precise. It's very. I'm just kind of cutting a square, and then I'm just going to slightly and carefully pry it up with my tweezers. Take it out in little bits. All right, so here I am back again. I know this entire demonstration, I haven't been using gloves. I would strongly suggest you use gloves for safety purposes. My dad was mentioning he cuts these all the time. Even these red pears have these little spiny ones that can prick your fingers. So right now, I'm just gonna show you, without using any blade or knife, how to just easily pry it out. I'm not gonna use any force whatsoever. I'm gonna use my 15-inch tweezer. This is kind of dangling off, but you just kind of swirl it around and prick it off, and it comes right out because they're already dead. So that's to demonstrate you don't even need the blade. But, you know, if there is one that you need to use the blade, again, I can see a dead one right here. You just cut the root, like so. Use your handy dandy 15-inch tweezer to pry it right out.
Take it all the way out.
Like so. I know this part's looking a little greener, but the plant's dead. It's attached. So right now I'm switching out the blade because I see a part of the plant that I think needs this special angled blade. I'm talking to my dad, and he's saying, you know, it's strongly suggested for the longevity of your plant to not use conventional tools, because even with conventional tools, these pricklies on the cactus can pierce through gloves, and hurt your hand. So I suggest using these special cactus blades for exactly what it's used for. So I'm just gonna, I lost my screw. All right, it's in. Let's use it. I see this one I can't get. It's a hard to reach area because it requires an angle. I just poked myself right there. I'm just gonna slightly, you don't need to go crazy aggressive. I'm just nice, lightly sliding it across the dead part of the plant and using my 15-inch tweezer to slowly remove it from the healthy stuff. You can see our big pile here. We're still going. You can pull all these dead parts out using these long reach tools. Once again, you can use your conventional tools, but these are specially designed for this purpose. You can see the bottom of the plant starting to look a little better. Let's get this part right now. Oh my gosh. I just poked myself right there, and because I'm not using gloves, please use gloves. I'm just kind of twisting and pulling on this one while it's in there. Okay. You want to use it? Just trying to use the grabbers to just take it out because this is a little harder one too. Just like that, you can yank it out. That was a harder to get one, but without these tools, I can't even imagine how hard. As you can see, I cut myself, I'm bleeding. Once again, please use precaution and safety and use gloves. Don't hurt yourself.